So I just came from work. It was so busy and it's time check now. It's 8:35. So yung out ko is 8:30 and I brought with me some dinner for Dalin and for me. So it was a very hard day and the kid or the daughter of our boss brought us this one. So this is fresh from Thailand. I cannot read it, but it's fresh from Thailand. With this one inhaler and with some candies. I don't know if it's clear. And I'll just make some coffee for myself today and dinner. So let's go. Hi guys, so good afternoon. It's currently 1:15 and today is February 21, 2025. So today I will be going to work out. So I had already 2 days of starting workout and today will be my 3rd day. So I'm just gonna put towels or anything on this floor. And I'm gonna do my 3rd days of workout. So it's kind of like 30 minutes workout. And let's see what's going to be happen for the next month or so. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so actually let me tell you a little story about today. So today is so busy day for me. I woke up very early, like 5:30 a.m. So my duty started like 6 a.m. and that's until 1 p.m. So yeah, it was so busy when I left the workplace. So yeah, today I have to do things for myself, like working out again, going back because I got some breakouts. I don't know guys what's the reason. So I got already 5 breakouts or pimples. I already popped the 2 over here and then the 1 over here, and it's kinda like maybe I need more exercise to make myself more active when it comes for my health. Or for the entire week I was for those my viewers, I was not able to update you guys. I went to island hopping and that is the first time island hopping I had. Like I will post this to my YouTube channel to share it with my friends, with my viewers, just for compilations, for the remembrance. My friend left last February 17, 2025 and today was already February 21. So it's been 4 days that he left the Philippines and he is currently in the Dubai. He had, I think, what he said is like 7 days there in Dubai before going back to his country. The last week was like busy for chilling on the beach, do some walking, eating, and those things. Get some pimples on my face, so will heal later after maybe a week, because now I can rest good, I can sleep good, and I can do also laundry for myself. So what is my plan today is just to do my workout, my laundry, and then a little sleep or just 1.5 hours of sleep so I can still sleep good tonight. Alright guys, so it's now 3 p.m. and I am still awake. I fell asleep just earlier, but I'm just waiting for the Wi-Fi to be good. And currently, I am having my favorite coffee So I have that, and I have also here, I will try this one, guys, from fresh from Thailand. Let's see. Smells something. I don't like the smells, but let's taste it. It's very sweet. The Thailand bread. It's actually my first time to taste this kind of bread. It's sweet. Yeah. Alright, so I don't like the taste, the smell of this bread from Thailand. So I just tried it, and it was like, it's fine, the taste, I think, but the smell, I feel like I want to vomit. I don't know, maybe I'm just booky or whatsoever. So yeah, it's just sharing my personal, taste to you guys. Rinby. So this is actually bought for me with or from my friend, and I'm just gonna do this for my snacks today before I sleep. I just also washed some of my clothes, guys. It's kinda like so messy, this part, and even this one. So it's been more than a week since the last time I washed my clothes, and I have still some shirts over here. I washed my 5 shirts, so I can use it for the next day and for the next few days. And the uniforms, I am planning not to wash it on one time because it's so hard for me to wash it in one time. I feel tired still. I am not still what's this called, I am not still, in the mood for washing all this clothes, but I have to do that for one time, just a little bit, and then after that I can wash it all or everything. So this is the clothes from last week still, and I have here some my towels I need also to wash, and even this white dress I have to wash this because I saw some dark things on the white. I have seen post or my day of my younger brother, and he was laundry his clothes. I was always telling them that they have to wash their own clothes, so our mom won't be stressed out anymore because of their clothes. So yeah, I think he's starting to realize that it's better to wash his own clothes. Hopefully it's not just like he's showing all it, for me to give him money for his school. But yeah, so hopefully it's real, and he's doing it with himself, like putting soap, soaking it, using hand wash, and going to our water well, and then banlawan doon.